Hello, today we're talking to you about smoke alarms. Every year there are thousands of fires in homes which start for many reasons. Many fires start at night and spread quickly. You need to protect yourself and your family. All houses need alarms, one alarm per floor. Importantly, you need to think about what alarm will suit you and your family. If you have trouble hearing a normal smoke alarm, it may be better for you to have an alarm with a vibrating pad and flashing lights that would wake you up. If you're not sure what alarm would suit you best, contact the fire service for advice. And remember to check your smoke alarms every month.